there, it's Ashley from WTI, and what I have here is this really cute book, How Do Dinosaurs Eat Their Food? And there are a lot of different versions of this, the dinosaur themed book here, and this one is How Do They Eat Their Food? And so it has all of these different dinosaurs and different things that they should not be doing with their food. Does he fuss? Does he fidget or squirm in his chair as he's eating his food? Does he flip his spaghetti high into the air? And at the end of it, of course, it shows that no, the dinosaur eats his food properly. And so it's a great way to teach your child the proper way to sit at the table and eat their food, teaches them good manners, but in a really fun, interesting, and colorful way with all of the different dinosaurs. So this is great whether you have a girl or a boy. Kids love dinosaurs, and I really love the illustrations in this book. The pictures are bright, they're detailed, and they add a great humor. So this is a really cute book. It's got a funny story to it, and I think you'll really enjoy it too, but that's just my point of view.